Hello students, today we are going to start our grammar topic sentences. Now let's start. A sentence is a group of words arranged properly to convey complete meaning. Means sentence वर्ड्स का एक ग्रुप होता है जो एक कंप्लीट मीनिंग कन्वे करता है. A sentence always begin with a capital letter. It ends with a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. Parts of a sentence. There are two parts of a sentence. First is subject and second is predicate. Now, what is subject? The subject is the person or thing about which we are speaking in the sentence. Means जिसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे. It can be a word or a group of words. यह एक वर्ड भी हो सकता है और वर्ड्स का ग्रुप भी. For example, Delhi is the capital of India. So, in this sentence, Delhi is the subject. What is predicate? The part that tells us something about the subject is called the predicate. जो सब्जेक्ट के बारे में कुछ ना कुछ कहता है वो प्रेडिकेट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिल्ली इज द कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया. इन दिस सेंटेंस, इज द कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया इज प्रेडिकेट. नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. देयर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. फर्स्ट वन इज डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस. Second is interrogative sentence. Third is imperative sentence. Fourth is exclamatory sentence. First is assertive or declarative sentence. What are declarative sentences? It states a fact or declares something. It ends with a full stop. It may be either affirmative or negative. Affirmative means simple sentence. For example, I am going to Agra. This is affirmative or simple sentence. I am not going to Agra. This is a negative sentence. Both are declarative sentences. Next is interrogative or question sentence. It asks a question. It always ends with a question mark. For example, what is your name? Who is your class teacher? Next is imperative sentence. It gives a command or order, makes a request or expresses a wish. It usually ends with a full stop. For example, leave me alone. This is a command. Please lend me your book. This is a request. Have a good time at the picnic. This is a wish. Next sentence is exclamatory sentence. It expresses a sudden and strong feeling such as surprise, wonder, pity, fear, happiness, or gratitude. It usually ends with an exclamation mark. For example, What a beautiful house. Next is hurrah, we have won. Here is an exercise for you. Question 1. Circle the subject and underline the predicate in the following sentences. A part is he goes to school every day. Now, he is a subject, goes to school every day is a predicate. B part, this is a big country. This is a subject, is a big country, predicate. These papers are not mine. These papers, subject, are not mine is a predicate. The cruel man threw stones at the dog. The cruel man is a subject. Threw stones at the dog is predicate. E part is a burnt child fears the fire. A burnt child is a subject. Fears the fire is a predicate. The gardener is watering the plants. The gardener is watering the plants. The gardener is subject. Is watering the plants is predicate. The girl screamed. The girl is subject. Screamed is predicate. Question number 2. Complete the following sentences given below either by adding a subject or predicate and state its kind. First part is my friend John. Now we have to complete this sentence. Here is subject is given. So we can complete it by adding my friend John is very smart. My friend John is very smart. Now this is a declarative sentence. Swan and Sherry, this is subject. We can add the predicate like Sand and Sherry are good friends. Now this will become declarative sentence. Next is dash has come in. Now you can see the interrogative mark here, question mark. So who has come in? The interrogative sentence starts with WH family. Who, when, what, how, where. Now this will become interrogative sentence. Next is dash a sweet voice she has. Now you can see exclamation mark here. So we can add what a sweet voice she has. It will become exclamatory sentence. It is not called today. This is a negative sentence. Dash achieve great success. Here you can see there is a wish in the sentence. So we can add may you achieve great success. It will become imperative sentence. I hope you all have understood the topic sentence. Do this in your notebook and practice this topic. Okay, students. Thank you.